Today, let's look at YouTube handle update. So YouTube has told that it will be rolling out YouTube handle. So you will be receiving an email. Some of the people have received email and some YouTube channels didn't receive the email. So I will show you what email you will get and how to create your YouTube handle using that if you don't have a customized URL previously. Okay. So first of all, you will get this email telling that introducing YouTube handles. You might have already received this. So how many channels you have? So to all those channels, you will get this introductory email where it will tell introducing YouTube handles. And in that darkly, there is a sentence which is mentioned that you will receive another email and a notification in YouTube Studio where you will be able to choose yours. So they are also telling that they will send you another email for you so that you can select your YouTube handle. Okay, so you have to wait. And they are also telling that starting November 14, if you have not selected handle, YouTube will automatically assign you the handle, which you can change in the YouTube Studio if you want. Okay, but before that, they will send you an email. Okay, and if you already have a customized URL already without the numbers, okay, the same name will be allocated to you. If you want, you can keep it, or else if you want, you can change it. Okay, so for me, there are two channels, so I got two emails. So in that, for one of the channels, I got an second email asking me to choose the handle. So this says you can choose your YouTube handle for this particular channel. So when I click on choose handle, I have already done it. Okay. But when you click on that choose handle button, I think this redirected to another one. Let me go to the correct one. So this one. So your handle is reserved. Your handle is @digitalvedam. So I have created this already. So I won't be able to create it again. So this is my URL. Okay. YouTube/@digitalvedam. And whenever you are mentioning in the title or description, if you write @digitalvedam, my channel will get tagged. So if something already exists with this name, so you will have to create something differently. Maybe you can say Digital Vedam official or Digital Vedam, YT or something like YouTube, saying this is YouTube that way. Okay. Let me check if they allow dash. Yes, they are allowing this dash option also. So you can, if someone already took the name of your channel, you can use this dash symbol also. Okay. And confirm selection. That's it. Cancel. Okay. For another channel, I have not received the second email. So if you look at another channel, okay, this still says handles will be rolling out soon. Will notify when you can choose yours. So for this particular channel, I didn't receive any email to choose my handle. So I have to wait. So if you get the email, you can choose. If you didn't get, you won't be able to choose until you get a email. Okay. And if you got an email and if you by mistakenly deleted the email or you're not able to find the email, what you can do is you can come to the YouTube Studio directly here. Okay. Go to the YouTube Studio here. So here you will have customization option at the left. Okay. Customization here, come here and go to basic info. And here by default, you will have a different link. So here also you can choose. If you are not able to find that email or that link, how to change it. But you should have received your email for changing. So if you are not able to find this email of you can choose, then you can directly come here, customization, basic info and handle. You can choose it here and click on publish. So that's how you can choose. If you didn't receive email, you will not find any option here to change. For example, this another account, if you see, so if you come to this channel and see the basic info one, you won't be able to find any option to change the handle. It is simply the channel URL, which is channel/ and all these letters. So I need to wait until an email comes to me and then come here and change. Okay, so that's all. This is how you have to change your YouTube handles. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share this video to your friends so it reaches to more people.